putting it in there.
Ah.
Yo, I'm putting that shit in there.
Chelsea the Stallion. Ah. Sorry.
Hello everyone, it is me, Kira Rosati, back in the flesh. And today I have my dearest, eldest, oldest, crustiest friend.
I'm insulted.
Her name is Chelsea. All of you probably already know, and if you don't, go ahead and give a quick intro.
Hi.
Okay, and today we're going to be doing a holiday glam tutorial.
Nails by Be Nailed by Bree
we're not
on Instagram.
This is not my channel.
At Be Nailed by Bree on
Okay, she had
Instagram.
her 3 seconds of fame. Thank you.
Okay.
And again, today we're doing a client glam tutorial. This is holiday edition. You see, we have our festive colors gagging this bitch here. Okay, so Chelsea has already washed her face. We're gonna go ahead and prep. First, I'm going to be using my Cetaphil moisturizer, good for all skin types.
All skin types.
And we're gonna also be using the Aveeno positively radiant facial. Chelsea has nice full brows already. She need to pluck a couple hairs here and there, but we can work around it. We're probably gonna do some editorial style brows rather than Baltimore bitch brows, you feel me? Because we don't do that anyway.
That's rude.
I don't give a fuck. Fuck 12. That winter beard is coming in. Hold on. Let's see. You gotta stay warm. Most women of color have hyperpigmentation around this area. Born to be mild. Next product, we're gonna go in with the infamous Anastasia Dip Brow in shade Ebony. OMG.
Aye, my.
And we're just gonna lightly fill them in. We don't want them too heavy. She already has very thick brows.
Get into these brows. Your makeup orders could never.
So, okay, hold on, you can open them real quick. So the look we're going for, this is a glam holiday tutorial. So I'm going with a basic black and gold it's like no. I'm going for the traditional black and gold smoky.
Black and yellow, black and
with
yellow.
a red lip. Hey you guys, I just want to take a moment to say earn.
No, for real. So there's this accent challenge on Instagram, and they're making fun of people from Baltimore because the 4 words are Aaron earned an iron earn. Okay? AARON EARNED ANIRONURN. Aaron earned an iron earn.
Fuck with your eyes closed.
People from Baltimore. Earn. Girl, okay. Anyway.
No!
They're fucking closed.
Okay. Splat. Shout out to Cammy Glitz, you know what I'm saying? Excuse me. Shout out to Cammy Glitz on the accessories for real.
Message.
KAMMIGLITZ on the gram for your cutest accessories. You dig? God, dummy. The loop.
You make a loop-de-loop and pull.
And your shoes are still hella furred. Don't laugh.
Krusty Krab, pizza. It's the pizza.
Today we doing Baltimore cut creases.
You and me.
Alright. Dummy.
No.
Yo, who started that? I need to know, like,
somebody from Baltimore.
who was the first person to start saying dummy? Like, so right now, you guys, we are just setting our base and transition color. I've already laid the transition. It was a very neutral brown, close to our skin tone. And now this is our second color. This is going to lay my arena for my smoky smoke. I'm just going to deepen that up in the corners. We're doing the smoky eyes. I'm going to lay the transitions. Some people like to do light to dark, so we do dark to light. I like to do light to dark. It makes more sense to me, but it'll float your boat. Go right ahead. Doing it all for drugs. Open your eye and blink back. There we go. Now close. I'm coming out. I want the world to blow. Yes, girl, look at you. Looking like $3. You guys, it's coming along. Chelsea looks so nice. You can wear this if you're going to a wedding, if you're going to prom, if you're getting dick, trying out for porn, for Magic City, going to Walmart, especially Target, if you're walking down Pennsylvania Avenue, or if Ern has an iron. Whatever the fuck it is.
Aaron earned an iron urn.
Aaron earned didn't even need to do. Oh, no. Y'all, we're doing sparse brows. We're not doing bitch brows. We're doing sparse.
The fuck is that?
Like more natural style brows. Not the Sharpay brow. I'm going to give her some blushiana.
Bust down, Blushiana. Bust down, Blushiana. I want to see you bust down.
Can you smile down? Smile.
Yes, teeth.
Thanks. Okay, you guys. Since Chelsea lips be dry as a motherfucker, we're going to pre-moisten them. But this is some Vaseline. If you don't know what it is, get with it. Black.
Hey Siri. Play Beauty and the Benz.
Who the fuck is that?
Okay, playing Beauty and the Benz, featuring Snoop Dogg by Tory Lanez.
Wow. Keep y'all slow and Oh, P.S. for anybody, you know I like to hustle. I'm selling fish plates starting January 1st. going on for you, too.
She can't cook, y'all. Don't buy them. I'm telling you now.
She's actually squalling. Let me see. Chelsea about to go try out for Norma Jeans. She said her pussy pops severely.
Yours don't.
Attention, come back, please. So, you guys, I really didn't do heavy contouring on Chelsea. She really doesn't need it. As you can see, her cheeks naturally have that, the hollow. We're just waiting for the last. Y'all look at Chelsea, y'all. Turn your face to the side this way. Turn this way, y'all. She is really giving everything, okay? Who is she? Oh my God. Close your eyes. Relax. Like it's your first time. I've never worn bottom lashes before. We just put them. Chelsea looks so pretty. She had a dry face, the bitch no more.
I was never.
Oh. So anyway, we getting her together. She about to go to the Baltimore Bowl or Southwest Bowl. Hey. Okay, you guys. So this is our finished look. Chelsea doesn't really wear makeup like that, but what are your thoughts?
I hate it.
Hey yo.
No, really, I hate makeup, but my eyes look bomb. No, it's kind of cute. You know,
kinda.
It's a bit much for me, especially these motherfucking lashes. My eyes feel like they're about to fall off. That's why I'm blinking so much. But yeah, my eyes look good. My brow is popping.
So you guys, tell me.
Yo, stop yanking me before I slap you.
I thought you liked it rough.
If your name is beep, then yes.
You mean beep, 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 beep. So yes, guys, I hope that you enjoyed our holiday glam friend tutorial makeup. Oh, yes. Another thing, we're doing a giveaway. Chelsea is giving away $10,000.
Psych, bitch.